Number 1 is don't contact her. Women are used to men steadily chasing and pursuing them, but no one can miss you if you're always there. Simply not communicating and distancing yourself will keep you on her mind. She'll start to wonder what you're doing, what you're up to, etc. Because the fact that she hasn't heard from you will make her imagination run wild. When a man shows a woman that he's well equipped and very much capable to handle life without her, she begins to realize that she's an option, not a requirement for him. And this type of rejection ironically makes her crave you more. Number 2, show her you're still living your life. When a woman is missing you, the first place she will try to check up on you is social media. If she logs on and sees little to no updates from you on there, she'll think that you're not doing much with your life, because for some reason people think that if you didn't post it on social media,
it didn't happen.
Post some of your successes and fun times to social media. This doesn't have to be in like a boastful or cocky way. Even if you don't have any wins or successes, just posting a nice picture of yourself, knowing it will pop up in her timeline will suffice. Number 3 is don't give in to the attention bait. When she realizes that she hasn't heard from you, you haven't reached out, she'll try to indirectly get your attention, usually via social media. She might do this through a nice picture of her, a subliminal status about you, etc. Don't like her pictures, ignore them. She will be sitting there like a fiend waiting to see if you'll notice them, if you'll like them, etc. The moment that you like her pictures, you're letting her know that you see her and you're acknowledging her. This is validation for her. She will notice that none of those likes on her picture are from you, and it will drive her crazy. Number 4 is don't be eager, be vague. When she actually does reach out to you, because she will, don't be overly excited to hear from her. Expressing too much excitement is a major turnoff for a woman because it's a sign of dependency. In her mind, she imagines you sitting by the phone, waiting for it to ring. Even though that's probably not true, that's still what she pictures in her mind. A simple response like, hey, how are you? Is cordial but vague enough to stand out. Number 5 is create jealousy. Now look, this doesn't mean that you have to full-fledged date or talk to somebody else. This could mean that you post a picture with friends and that there's a woman in it. This could mean that you tag a woman in your pictures, because trust me, she will notice that a woman is tagged and she will go and stalk her page to try to see who this woman is. She could be just a friend, or maybe not. The point is that she doesn't know. Her imagination will always take her to the point of you being involved with another woman. The point here is that you're showing her that you have other options besides her, because in reality, you do. Number 6 is nickname her. Giving her a unique nickname that means something to her is a guaranteed way to make her miss you, because every single time she hears this name, she'll automatically think of you. It needs to be common enough so that she encounters it again. It needs to have some kind of importance and relevance to it. Maybe you create a nickname for her centered around her favorite food or her favorite TV show or her favorite color, etc. What you're doing here is you're making her associate things with memories of you. This is called associative memory in psychology, and it's highly effective. Number 7 is teach her something new. Women love to learn new things from a man because teaching and mentorship are characteristics that are synonymous with leaders, and women innately want to be led by a man. Making a woman miss you is extremely easy. It just takes an understanding of the psyche of a woman, and also understanding that women are very emotional creatures, but following these steps can make that work in your favor.